12th class, 3rd chapter, current electricity, and 17th session, mixed combination of cells. What do you mean by mixed combination of cells? Mixed combination means there are certain number of cells connected in series and so many branches are there in parallel. Just like you can see, there are so many cells. What we are thinking only is about identical cells. There are n cells in series, all of them ER, and all right, all identical cells, EMF E and internal resistance small r, and so many identical cells, and such m branches are there. Okay, you understand what I am writing? M branches are there, connected to an external resistor of capital R. This is what a mixed combination is. What it means? There are m branches and in one branch there are n cells. This is what actually mixed combination means. Now let's simplify it. How can we simplify it? Take one branch. When you take one branch only, that one branch, n cells are connected in series, so it will be having an EMF Ne, an internal resistance Nr, and this is happening to all Ne and Nr, right? And such m branches will be there. It's a very interesting thing, right? All will have Ne EMF and Nr resistance connected to an external resistor capital R. So I simplified it as one branch, one cell. Now you take all these. It's a very interesting thing. All these have same EMF Ne connected in parallel. So the end terminals are same. So one branch will have an EMF Ne, and all have internal resistance same, which is Nr, and such m branches are there. Internal resistance Nr, such m branches are there. So we can say the effective internal resistance will be Nr by m. You have to understand that. Previously I told you for n resistors connected in parallel, the effective resistance is R by n or R by m. Just like Nr is the resistance and m numbers are connected in parallel, so it will be effective resistance Nr by m. So simple, connected to an external resistor capital R. Now what we need to find is the value of current. I will be equal to Ne divided by effective resistance. Same current will pass through all, right? Ne divided by Nr by m plus R. Ne divided by Nr by m plus R. This is what the equation for the current in mixed combination of cell. And there is one theorem known as maximum power transfer theorem. Maximum power transfer theorem says that from a cell you can expect, from a combination of cells, you can expect the maximum power to draw from it or maximum current to draw from it when the effective internal resistance is equal to external resistance. Right? R effective internal resistance should be equal to what? External resistance. This is what the effective internal resistance. So it will be Nr by m should be equal to R. Nr by m is equal to R. When Nr by m is equal to R, the current drawn will be maximum. So what will be that Imax? Imax will be equal to, you can put Nr by m equal to R. So Ne divided by Nr by m plus, instead of capital R you can write Nr by m. So that will be Ne divided by 2 Nr by m, isn't it? So what will be this m will go upside. So Mne divided by 2Nr. So Nn cancels. So it will be Me divided by 2R. This is the maximum current that can be drawn from mixed combination of cells. In other words, also you can write, you can substitute, this is what Imax is. Another case you can substitute Imax is equal to, how can you write? Ne divided by Nr by m, instead you can write R plus R. So it is equal to Ne divided by 2R. So it will be Me divided by 2 internal resistance R or Ne divided by 2 external resistor R. So these are the expression for the maximum current drawn from a combination of cells in mixer combination. Okay, that's it. Thank you.